Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Thank you for tuning in. Let's just jump right into it, shall we? Today we're going to be making some homemade fish cakes. The fish we're going to be using is crappie. Now, some people tend to use cod, salmon, or even crab. It really doesn't matter. The recipe's still pretty much the same. We are going to start off by getting all of our vegetables prepped. We will be using half of a red pepper, half of a green pepper, half of a white onion, some fresh parsley, and about 4 cloves of garlic. We will be cooking our vegetables before we add them into the mixture, so go ahead and get everything diced up real small. This will let everything cook down and soften up, and also allow it to add a bunch of flavor into our fish cakes. We really only need about 2 tablespoons of the fresh parsley, so go ahead and get that chopped up and then set it aside. This will be adding directly into our mixture and not cooking ahead of time. In a hot pan, go ahead and add in your favorite cooking oil and let that get up to temp before adding in your vegetables. Once your vegetables have been added, let's go ahead and cook those down until they become soft. Once your vegetables have cooked down, go ahead and remove them from the heat. We want them to cool down completely before we add them into our fish mixture so they don't start prematurely cooking the fish. Once our vegetables have finished cooking, let's go ahead and set those aside and start working on the fish. We want to cut this down until we get a consistency that's similar to breakfast sausage. However, we don't want to go so far as to turn the fish into complete mush. Into a mixing bowl, we're going to go ahead and combine all of our ingredients. And that consists of our fish, our pepper and onion mixture, about 3/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, a pinch of cayenne, and you can adjust this depending on your heat tolerance, 4 cloves of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley, a half cup of panko breadcrumbs. Go ahead and give everything a good mix until it is well combined. I actually forgot to add this in earlier, so go ahead and add in 2 tablespoons of Old Bay seasoning. Once everything is mixed up, go ahead and cover your fish mixture with plastic wrap and place it in the fridge for about an hour to let all those flavors come together. Now that our mixture has been in the refrigerator for an hour, it's time to pull them out and then form them into fish cakes. I find it easiest to use a 1/4 cup measuring cup. Go ahead and fill the measuring cup with your fish mixture, and this will ensure that all of your fish cakes come out even. Now that we've formed our fish cakes, it's time to cook them. So in a hot pan, we're going to add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of your favorite cooking oil and let that come up to temperature. I have my stovetop set to a medium-high heat. These aren't going to take very long to cook, maybe about 2 to 3 minutes per side, but go ahead and watch the sides as they cook. Kind of like how you would watch a steak and you can see that cook level rise on the side of your fish cakes. Once you see that cook level rise to about the halfway point, go ahead and flip them over and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Once they've finished cooking, go ahead and remove from the skillet and serve immediately. These are definitely best when served hot. I like to eat my fish cakes with some fresh lemon and some homemade tartar sauce. In my next video, I'll actually be going over how to make this tartar sauce. It really is one of the easiest things that you can make and definitely takes this meal to a whole new level. If you enjoyed today's video, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. Also, check out the description box below, as I have included a few links on how you can save money on your groceries and online shopping. Thanks for watching and have a great day.